Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the back camera on the iPhone SE 3 2022 mobile phone. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then undo two bottom screws using a pentolobe screwdriver. Next, to remove the screen, apply heat to soften the glue on the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. If not, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup or something similar to lift the front assembly. Next, use a plastic cup pry tool for separating and loosening rubber gaskets on the frame. Carefully work around on the edges and keep in mind, do not put too much force to lift the screen. It might damage internal flex cables. Next, remove 4 screws and take out the bracket. Next, on the top right, undo 3 screws and remove the bracket. Next, undo the battery, touch and LCD connectors. And then, to free the screen, disconnect the APS assembly connector from the board. Next, undo 2 screws to take out the camera bracket on the top right. Next, disconnect and remove the not working rear camera from the board. Next, place and secure the new rear camera on the board. Next, secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, clamp the screen to the body. First, connect the front camera assembly plug, and then connect the LCD, touch and battery connectors. Next, power up the device for verification. Next, secure the LCD bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, secure the earpiece bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, test the screen. And then start clamping the screen to the device. Gently slide in the screen from the top. Click in the top section first. Then click the sides and the bottom simultaneously. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. A quick note, it is always good to check the ear speaker and sensor response by making a test call. Next, secure 2 bottom screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.